What's up guys, Boss Gamer here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing another shout out. Did you guess it? Did you guess it? Drum please. No. Okay. It is, well I said ice cream inside of something. It is ice cream inside a Pokeball. So we're gonna do that. And then also subscribe. Last time we did another super build. That was our first super build, the Falcon. And then I've done this one, the massive Titanic. See, there's pipes. So let's get into the Pokeball. This isn't going to be a super build, sorry Tom. But it just isn't. I just can't picture it being big. So, what am I going to need? Quartz. No, snow actually. Snow. Experiencing technical difficulties. I'll be back with you in this. Yeah, I decided to start here now and I got my blocks. So, right, I'm not an expert at Pokemon. I haven't been experienced with it. I know what a Pokeball looks like. I know some Pokemons, but I don't really play anything like. I don't really use Pokemons or anything like that. Just thingy. So sorry if I get it wrong. Someone gets comment section. I know. So, I feel like this is how you do it. If no, tell me, because I don't want to be wrong here. Well, I'm pretty sure it was, a white top. Oh wait, no, a white bottom. So like this, and then it'll be like opened, and then there'll be ice cream inside it. So this might take. Yeah, this definitely will take a bit of a while. I'm not good at this stuff, so hopefully I'll actually get good at it. So okay, so that's this might actually not be too hard, I don't know. Please not be wrong, because I don't really do some Pokemons. If you like Pokemon, sorry, I just don't really do. I just don't, not really into them. And that's great. One more block. I think you guys know what I'm doing with this. If you don't, I don't know what to say about you. So, difficulty. And I go 1 block. One sec, guys, I'll be back. Okay, issue that. It's good. All good. So I wanna make that so that it's still red here. Does that look right? No, I don't. Yeah, I'm definitely not right. This is definitely not right. I am actually creating the worst Pokeball in the world, but okay. It's okay. Right, so now all I need to do is add ice cream. If I can actually get it now. And then I need to. Sorry. So I need to. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to add to chicken pen. One of them's an adult. That must be the original. Oh, another egg. Thank you. The parrot keep them busy. So they have entertainment. Right, so I'm gonna add a few. Get in there. Oh, sorry, chicken. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just want to make a chicken pen. Oh, yeah, it actually went in there. Look at all these chicks. It's like this one chick has had all those. This one chicken has had all those, but it's not. One of them's just grown up. Yeah. Next one to grow up, they're gonna breed. I just know it. Yeah, this thing's gonna get filled to the brim. By the time I'm done with it. There's a chicken in there. Oh. Well, I'll let you in. I need to be quick about this. Yeah, very quick about this. So, if I just go... No, get away! You're staying in there because you're trying to escape. No. No. Okay, I'll let you. Oh, you went back in. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Everybody's in there. Do they have? So it's like they have a leader. Go in. Yeah. I guess they'll automatically go to the big one. Yeah. So like, they all stare at me. A million eyes staring at me. Bill. Come on, please, land in here. But did it? Okay, wait. Oh, that actually made a chicken. Yeah! I never knew they'll make a chicken. Oh, I didn't make one. This is too many chickens. Whee. Okay, well, I'll get back to this thing. This is going to be embarrassing. And my wall. This is just going to be embarrassment all over it. That's what it is. Okay, well, let's shoot ice cream. So I need a dispenser. Dispenser. Give me a dispenser, you stupid game. Dispenser. Yeah. And Snubbles. Snowballs. Pardon me. I just had McDonald's. I'm really excited because I got Park Lane. If I get Mayfair, I think this is how the rules work. I get 100 grand. I didn't know that. So that's the thing. Also, I'm going to do a video with a very special person. If you watch this video, who the shout out was to, you'll know who's coming around on Tuesday. Oh, adults! Okay, we need to breed. I need every single type of food. Don't know what they eat. I'm just going to give carrots and wheat. That's what I'm going to give. I think that's what they do. I'm going to give carrot. Okay, so if I go you and you. No. You and you. Right, so if I go you and eat food. Maybe it isn't that. What would they eat then? Please tell me. Because if they don't eat meat then. Just, I don't know. Also I have the boots of amazingness. Emerald boots are way better. Also, this is a very special thing. And onto the Pokeball again. I need a lever. Lever, whoever we want to say it. Boop, 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 boop. Lever or lever? I think it's lever in British. And then if I press this, yeah, the ice cream shooter. And there's ice cream inside it. He did say do ice cream, but then he said no, do a Pokeball. So I said, how about do ice cream in a Pokeball? And he was like, yeah.